Hello, my name is Dr. Rodriguez. I am a science professor. STEAM is an educational movement that combines science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. On the iSTEAM channel, we will introduce STEAM fields as access points for experiential learning, inquiry, and critical thinking. Today's episode, Observing Plasmolysis. Plasmolysis is the process by which a plant cell loses water and the content becomes shriveled or shrunken. This activity will allow you to observe the effect of loss of turgor pressure or turgidity in cells. Materials: Elodea plant, compound microscope, cover slip, slide, distilled water in dropper bottle, 10% sodium chloride solution in a dropper bottle, paper towel. Procedure: place a drop of distilled water on a clean slide. Use a pair of forceps to remove a young leaf from the tip of a water plant Elodea. Place the leaf in the water on your slide and cover it with a cover slip. Use the scanning or low power to observe the leaf of Elodea. Finish by observing the leaf on high power. Is the cytoplasm of the Elodea cell in the distilled water pushed against or pulled away from the cell wall? Is the distilled water hypo or hypertonic solution to the Elodea cells? Would you expect a plant cell in distilled water to exhibit turgor pressure or plasmolysis? Carefully place a drop of 10% sodium chloride from the dropper bottle on the edge of the cover slip of the Elodea leaf and place a piece of paper towel at the opposite edge of the cover slip. Use the scanning or low power to observe the leaf. Work your way to high power to observe the Elodea leaf. Is the cytoplasm of the Elodea cell in 10% sodium chloride pushed again or pulled away from the cell wall? Is the 10% sodium chloride solution hypotonic or hypertonic to the solution of the Elodea cell? Do Elodea cells in 10% sodium chloride solution exhibit turgor pressure or plasmolysis? I hope this presentation was insightful. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy learning about STEAM. Please also share this channel with someone you think can benefit from or will enjoy the presentation of the iSTEAM channel. Hope to see you soon!